Hi guys, JP here. So today we are making steak and egg, but I'm mixing sukiyaki cut and tapa. So it's sort of like a Pinoy steak and egg sandwich. So first step, on this pan, some butter, then red onions. You want a hot pan when you cook steak. Up to you guys. You can also add just salt and pepper, but since we're Filipinos, we love adding soy sauce and a little bit of pepper. Then pan's ready. Give it a good mix. Also mix in your tapa. If you want to stretch your steak sandwich and make it somehow Filipino, then I'd add a little bit of tapa. Why not? So just give it a good mix. Butter smells good. Throw in the onions. Give it a stir. And also, since it's a good piece of meat, wag natin i-overcook. I can smell the butter and onions from here. Put that here. Again, butter. Butter, butter, butter. Naku, walang counting of calories. Rubber spatula. Whisk your eggs. Let me check on the bread really quick. Oh, it's nice. Ayoko sobrang tostado. Gusto ko medyo malambot pa rin yung bread. Yun lang kulay gusto ko. Alright, what we're gonna do with the eggs is we're just gonna flavor it with cheese powder. Basically, it's the Dairy Master cheddar cheese without water. 12 eggs. I'd go 1 tablespoon about of cheese. You can do 2. Let's do 2. Let's make it a cheesy steak egg sandwich. Hot pan, whisk. Okay, hot pan, ready? Dropping the eggs. Constantly move it. And always with the rubber spatula. A bigger pan would be nice. Ganun lang guys, pag gumagawa tayo ng runny eggs, just keep moving it. Keep moving it. Bango ng cheese. So always when you remove it from the heat, okay lang na medyo basa-basa pa. So there, that's the right consistency you want. So there you go, our runny eggs with cheese. Okay, so bread, a little bit of mayonnaise. Steak and tapa. A little bit of bell pepper. A little bit of raw onions. Tomato. Coriander, cheesy egg. Oh, look at that. My God. And it's always nice to have steak and eggs with fries, cheese powder. Let's add some greens. At least when I do this, I feel like I'm in a fine dining setting, but I know it's only for family meal, but then when you go the extra step, it just makes it more special and it reflects on the plate. So here you go guys, our steak and runny cheese egg sandwich with lots of cheese and lots of love. Enjoy.